Okay, hello children. Welcome to another video on the PSLE math paper trend. And today I'm going to cover a short video on more less than. Okay, so same thing when you see the keyword more, less than, what you have to do is to know that is a more less than model, more less than concept, more or less than concept. Something that you have learned since primary 1. Okay, so what you got to do next is simply remember the method, or rather, this screams into your ear, say do now. Do now. I almost want to write donut. Okay. Okay, if you are a tutor watching this, and if you learn something from my video and you want to adapt and adopt, please let your students know where you learn it from. Okay, I appreciate that. Again, it's up to you lah. Okay. Okay, so this like streaming to your ear says do now. Okay, do now. So what do you have to do now? Is just to simply draw model. It can be a long shot. If it's a more than model, or it can be a short long. Okay. Then next, what are the variation? Okay, sometimes when let me give you an example. Okay, say example. So I write it in black. Example. Let's say this is a more than model, and this number shows 100. Okay, and it says 1/5 of A is given away. Remember that this 1/5 also applies. Okay, so 5 units. Okay, so this 1/5 also applies to here as well. All right. Okay, but now thinking back, I shouldn't put units. Later, I will tell you why. So it will be 20. So later, let's say at the bottom, it says a quarter is given away. So in this case, you have to make the denominators the same. Times 5, times 5, that will be 5/20. Times 4, times 4, and that will give you 4/20. And the reason is because what you have here are 2 equal bars. And if you think back to equal concepts, you have to make the denominators the same. And you have to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4 in this case. Okay? So next, what I'm going to do is to go to your past questions, just look at those questions with more or less than, and you realize that almost all of them can be solved using the long short or short long model. All right, so that's all for more or less then, and I'll see you in the next video.